Hello guys, welcome back. This is Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss another new features in Oracle Fusion and that is asset approval or asset transaction approval. It was implemented in 24C upgradation. Going to see how it works and how we can implement this in our project. Okay. So let me navigate to the system and my Excel sheet and see the prerequisites. So, what are the asset transactions? Asset transaction usually we have asset additions, asset retirement, transfer, mass additions, adjustment. So, these are the all asset transaction for which Oracle has provided the approval options. Okay, and we can enable approval. So, first of all, what is the first setup we have to do? Enable approval for asset book. Okay. So first of all, we need to enable that approval in asset book. Okay, so this is the first prerequisite. And let me go to asset book here. And this is US corporate book. I want to enable approval for US corporate book. Okay, here you can see enable approval. Enable approval for addition. So different kind of transactions you can see here in the drop down. So as per your business requirement, you can enable approval. Either you can enable approval for all the transaction types, or you can do it for addition, adjustment, transfer, or retirement. Whatever you want to do as per your business request. Okay. So currently, for demo purpose, I'm enabling this for asset addition. Okay. That means whenever we are going to add one asset, it will require approval. Okay. Enable approval for asset addition transactions, save it. And book is US corporate book. So that is the first step. What is the next step? Next step is you have to enable or create approval rule for asset transactions. How can I do this? So Oracle has provided spreadsheet based approval. Okay. So what is the tax name here? You can select workflow. Workflow rule in spreadsheet. So you have the option to create approval rule with spreadsheet template. Okay. So let me open that and here you can see you have template available for different approval rule. You can create it for journal approval, invoice approval. So this is for asset approval. Okay, asset transaction approval. First of all, you have to download the template and create the appropriate rule and then upload. So I have already downloaded here and you can see here. Let me open this asset transaction approval basic template. Here the first sheet you can see all the introductions, instructions and steps to follow while creating your rules. And here you can see 4 5 tabs here, and for different transaction types you have to enable the approval and create the approval rules. So Oracle has provided the predefined rules here, right? So different kind of rules like based on approval groups, based on job level, position levels, auto approval, and supervisory hierarchy. So whatever approval rule you want to implement and which is appropriate for your business, That only you have to enable and provide conditions for this approval. Okay. So similarly for adjustment, transfer, retirement, mass addition and mass transactions. So there are a lot of approval rules here provided, and you can enable or disable as per your requirement. For example, this is disable. So just right click this and enable this. But once you enable any approval rule, you have to provide all the conditions. That is mandatory. If you don't need this approval rule, just disable this. Okay. Otherwise, you will not able to upload the template. It will show error. Okay. So if you want to enable some approval rule and you have to provide all the conditions for that, all the mandatory value you have to provide it. Okay. So I'm disabling this. I enable this very simple approval rule here. Approval rule with user based asset types. Okay. So let us understand. So this is user based approval. That means any specific user is going to approve my addition transactions, right? And what is the condition here? Condition is my asset book should be US corporate book, and cost. Cost also you can mention here as another conditions, but I am not giving. My second condition is asset category segment one should be computer. Even you can add the segment number two if you want, but just go to the drop down and you can add the category segment two also here. Okay. But I need, if my asset addition category segment one is computer, then it will go for approval to SAS data MP3, and asset type is capitalized. So there are various type of assets: expense asset, CIP asset, grouped asset, capitalized asset. So we have three conditions here. My asset book is corp book, US corp. My segment one category is computer, and my asset type is capitalized. So if all these three conditions are satisfied, then my asset addition will go for approval to user SAS.imp3. Okay. And if you don't need for adjustment, transfer, retirement, you can just disable all these approval rules. Anyway, we have only enabled the approval at asset book level only for addition. Okay. So once you provide all the detail here, just go to again fast tab instruction and generate rule file. Okay. So it will create one zip file, and like this, you will see asset transaction approval basic template. Okay. And you will see here the zip file which we need to upload. Here you can upload this. Okay. Once it is uploaded, you will see it here. Upload history. Under upload history, you will see asset transaction approval basic template, and a status should be successful. If there is any mistake or any data is missing, the user is inactive, the category you have mentioned in the condition is not available or it's not active. So that we need to take care of, because you only have to provide valid attributes which are available in the instance. Okay. So my template is uploaded successfully. That means my approval rule is created for the asset addition. That is the second step. Now you have to create one transaction and test if my rule is working or not. Okay. Now go to asset addition. Add asset. My book should be US corporate book because this is my first condition. My asset type should be capitalized. That is my second condition. Okay. My third condition is my category major segment should be computer. Okay. And my minor category, that is not mandatory here. Like, I mean, it's not provided as a condition in the approval rule. So I can take whatever minor category I want. So it will go for approval. Click on OK. Description, asset approval test. Okay. Cost is 1200. Unit is 1. Expense account, it is defaulted. Let me give my location. So I'll give one US location here. Even you can enable approval based on asset location. USA, California. Okay. I have selected one valid location and you can either you can submit for approval here or you can go to next and review the detail. Okay. And then you can submit for approval. You can see here approval status is required here. Okay. So you have submitted the asset for approval, asset addition for approval, and where it will go? It will go to sas.imp3 user, right? So let me log out from here and I'll just log in with sas.imp3. Sas.imp3. Okay. So you can see here there is a notification bell icon. You can see the notification that approval submitted for sas.imp3 for addition of asset and approve. Okay. Now it is approved. So in this way, you can implement the approval for asset transactions. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos.